Okay, here's a little bit of a different concept on 6-3 for the notes for the Part 1 series. They're trying to get you to use some Pythagorean theorem and use some common sense. So this example is, what's the sine of an angle? If they tell you the angle is in the third quadrant, which is right here, I've drawn it already, and they tell you that the cosine of the angle is -3/5. Well, if I draw my terminal side here in quadrant 3, and here's theta, because the reference angle is always measured up or down from the x-axis. So cosine is -3, and the hypotenuse, we're always going to leave as a positive number, is 5. Then they want you to find the sine. Well, the sine of this angle is opposite. So I'm going to say that's the y, opposite over hypotenuse. So we got to find out what y is. Well, we just do a little Pythagorean theorem. 3 squared plus y squared equals 5 squared. And this is, if you remember Pythagorean triples, this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. And I'll prove it to you. So 3 squared is 9, 5 squared is 25. If I take 9 away from there, there's 16, and take the square root, so y equals 4. So this side right here equals 4. So then what's the sine of the angle? Opposite over hypotenuse. This is going to be -4 though, because it's in quadrant 3. So the sine of theta would be -4/5. Okay, hope that makes sense. Here's a quick try based on the same concept, just a slightly different angle. Oh, I munched up my sign when I dropped it there. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video and try that one. Okay, here's the answer. Pythagorean theorem, the sine of that angle would be -15/17. How did you do? That's it for this video.